This is Jefferson Close Up. I'm Carol Celine. My guest today is pancreatic surgeon Dr. Jordan Winter. You described yourself to me growing up as one of those kids who loved sports and studying. I mean, you loved school. You even liked organic chemistry, you said. But you studied so hard that when you were in college, your roommates had to do what you called an intervention. What was that?
Well, we sort of chuckle about it now, but I had a good friend who actually happens to be an orthopedic surgeon now who came in on a Saturday night at about 1 in the morning after spending some time with some friends. And he came in a very serious, with a very serious face and looked at me and said, "Jordan, we have to talk." And I said, "What is this going to be about?" I haven't seen him this serious in months. He said, "You know, we need to change your mindset, your behavior. You're studying too much."
Boy, your mother must have loved you. You never had to say, go do your homework. Tell me what traits you like about yourself.
Well, I think that that something that I'm very proud of is the ethical standard that I hold myself to. I've always valued honesty in myself and in others, in my friends, in my colleagues.
Why did you choose to become a pancreatic surgeon?
Pancreas surgery has a lot of the things that I love, that excited me about surgery, but I think it can really be traced to a mentor-mentee relationship that I developed very early on in my surgical career as a resident. Where I met my current chairman, Dr. Charles Yeo, and that was his interest, that was his passion.
So if you hadn't become a pancreatic surgeon, what do you think you would have done?
Well, I think I probably would have been a teacher. My wife is a teacher, and I think that teaching is the greatest profession in the world. It's something that we all remember our teachers, and I think it's very nice that our children can have the opportunity to grow up having two parents that chose professions not based on remuneration, but really based on wanting to help people.
Now, you told me that your family is your life and how much your journey through life is guiding your children to become good people. What's the favorite family vacation that you do?
Well, we actually, next week, we're doing this. We go to Puerto Rico. My wife is from Puerto Rico, so I'm one of the few people that actually enjoys visiting his in-laws. I suspect, although I love my in-laws. But Puerto Rico is a great time for the kids. You know, we go swimming every day, and there's nothing that brings a smile to their face more than splashing around with their parents in the water.
You've talked a lot about your passion for pancreatic surgery. How does this translate into your philosophy of patient care?
I learned from watching some of my mentors early on that it's really important to treat your patients or to approach your patients as if they're your own family members. And the reason why that's the case is because if you do, it's very difficult for you to make the wrong decision.
Boy, what a support you must be to your patients.
We're a 24/7 operation, and we're available all the time. And I think patients take a lot of comfort in that.
Oh, I can't see why they wouldn't. Thanks for coming in.
You're very welcome.